We got an interesting house today. A little on the more of if you were to buy the home, you would want to rent it out to a family. It's a really great size to rent out to a family. Could use a little bit of renovation, but overall it's a really quality house. Really great purchase if you want even a short-term investment. You can flip it really quickly and sell it, or obviously for a long-term investment you could rent it out to families. This home is located not on the main road, but it is a fairly busy road, so really accessible to the city, and you can just kind of drive out and go wherever you need to go. They added this feature. A lot of homes have this now, with the camera feature in the front. Ring a doorbell, they can see whoever is at the doorbell and replay it also, so a little security system there. Let's walk into the home. And really great house here. Here's a hallway and the kitchen to the side. There's a room here. I can stretch out my arms and walk, and you can have more than one person cooking here, or a few people in the kitchen without bumping into one another. Really great feature there. And as we walk here, the little dining room next to the stove, fireplace. Really awesome for the winter, and you can just pile some wood in there. It almost feels like you're in a log cabin, and I love that. I love that in a home. Really awesome. Great backdrop too with the stone as well. The living room right next door. No wall separating, so I like that, how they have that openness to the living areas. We have this accented stone wall, which is really awesome, and it has a fireplace. Really quality there. This section of the home is really awesome. To sit back and watch some television. And the backyard is also a great size for the location this house is in. The backyard is great. So really great size backyard, covered patio as well, and perfect space for a barbecue. Some storage space. We have the master bedroom. The owner is home right now, so we won't bother him too much going in there. But the master bedroom, and there is the master restroom inside the master bedroom. And it looks like it actually has been newly renovated, this restroom, with the tiling in the shower, that it has been torn out, and it's actually the most modern of the house, this area right here. You don't really have to do too much to this home, too much to the restroom area. Probably the cabinets, the wood could use a little remodeling, and make that maybe a different color there. And then we have two identical bedrooms, so 3-bedroom house altogether. Standard size bedroom with closet space as well. So let's take a peek in one of them. Both of the closets have these cool double swinging closet space for whatever you need. And window opens up to the front of the house for both rooms. So overall, this house is, like I said before, great for a small family, and also great for a long or short-term investment if you want to renovate. Kitchen, the wood in the kitchen could probably use a little bit of renovation. Other than that, it's a pretty quality house and really sturdy. Great area in town. You are in the center of town in this area, so you can get to the main city. The college is not too far away. Wherever you need to go. There's also the main I-5, which connects all the west coast of America, and that's pretty easy to get to.